putting on lipstick in the bathroom at the doctor's. I've got a party after this blood test. Nobody there really wants me to come, but we'll all pretend to ignore it. I have crawled over town with your hair in my mouth, just trying to tweeze all the lust of you out. I only ever stay to get some of the blame and to hear